As they say, two are better than one, and in this case, combining two potent apps that you can download for free is the key to earning up to $200 in a single day. As you can see, the first app I want to show you is Upload.io. You don't need to pay anything to start using it, and I'll show you exactly how much money you can make from it in the following video. You must use both of these free apps together to make significant amounts of money online. All of this payment documentation is in US dollars. As you can see, these individuals have received payments totaling $35, $23, $55, and $40. In some cases, you can even continue to receive payments totaling more than this. Is the first app you'll need to use to make this strategy work. Make sure to watch the full video to learn exactly how it works and what to do. By simply uploading free files and images now, you make money when you upload something on this website and someone else downloads it for free. You can earn up to $7 repeatedly on complete autopilot, even while you're sleeping, traveling, or not at all. To do so, click the sign up button, navigate to this page, and then enter your username, email address, password, and payment information. You'll be paid in a variety of ways, as you can see here, including PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, and other options. Now that I've logged into my account, you can see what I see when I click the upload file button. As long as you have an internet connection, you can do this on a computer, a mobile device, or any other device. Once you click the upload file button, you can start uploading something to this website. When users download your file and purchase it, they will be paid. All photos and videos on Pixabay are available under Creative Commons license, making them free for commercial use. You can upload these to the first app I previously showed you or use them for any purpose you like without giving attribution. Now allow me to give you an actual example and a step-by-step demonstration. You can visit Pixabay.com to see stunning free images and royalty-free stock there. They have over 1.7 million high-quality images and videos that you can download for free. You can find different images, for example. I've uploaded one demo image right here, and I've demonstrated how to do it right now. The moment I type nature into the search bar and click the search button, I will see a list of all available free images to download. As you can see here, you don't want to download this and that. At the very least, you need to download 1280p versions of this and that. Make sure your images are high quality and high resolution so that people will want to download them and you can make money. You can do this on your computer or a mobile device, it makes no difference. Once I've chosen this image right here and clicked on download, I can begin uploading it to this website. When you click on this upload file, you can see the file upload. You can click on this link or this image right here to see the images that I can upload on this website, for instance. Now I'll return to the first website and demonstrate how to upload them. I'll demonstrate how to open this image by clicking on it, after which you can see it is already here. I can also add additional files, such as another image, so you can view more pictures. Once I have uploaded all the necessary files, you will click this blue button to begin uploading. Now they'll begin the uploading process, which you can observe here. There are a lot of high-quality images right here, so you can repeat this process repeatedly, as you can see here. It's quite quick because these images have a very small file size. In fact, you can do it hundreds of thousands of times per day. The more files or images you upload, the more money you will make. The best part of this website is that after I finish uploading the file, they'll give me 2 links. Whenever users click on those links to download the file, I get paid. Because this website will automatically promote those images for you and get people to download them for free. Of course, if you don't like waiting or if you want to promote it elsewhere, for example on Facebook or in forums, to further boost your income, it is always highly recommended. After the uploading process is complete, I can click on my files here and it will show me all of the images I've uploaded. That's it for today. Please share and subscribe. And press the bell icon for more updates.